Welcome back to another video. Today guys, I'm gonna make an all-in-one juice: yellow bell pepper, tangerine, golden beet and pineapple. So guys, there is some little stickers on this, so I'm gonna I was peeling them off before, so I'm gonna continue peeling them off and then wash my fruits and then come back to you guys. So guys, here we are. I've washed my bell pepper and my tangerines and also my golden beet. So guys, we're just gonna cut the bell pepper like this into 4 pieces. And now let's get into the peeling of the tangerines. So guys, you don't need to take off these little things, but they're gonna go right through the cooling juicer. So this is a all-purpose drink, guys, good for anything at all. The whole overall body, healthy body drink for your body, guys, whatever you want to call it, but it's loaded with vitamins. And I'm going to be adding a small piece of ginger, which is this piece of ginger, guys. And I have some big golden beets, if you can see them, they're right there, but I'm not going to use them. I have some small ones left over. I started cutting off the tops. So guys, let's cut the top off. You can peel them if you want. Because these are clean, you just need to just take off some of the skin that looks, you know. And as you know, guys, there's a lot of benefit in the skins, so today I'm going to do them with most of the skins on. You can use the peeler and just go over them like this, which is easier, and you can use a knife. As I said, I'm going to leave a little bit of skin. So guys, I think I'm not going to use off all of the beetroot. Let's go in, and this was the leftover of my pineapple from last week. I have an entire pineapple, one whole of pineapple, so I rather just use the leftover. And then at the end of the video, I maybe can use my new pineapple, which I purchased yesterday, and just put it for decoration, guys. So guys, you don't have to cut off all these brown things. It's not eat, we're gonna eat it, we're gonna juice it. So all I need to do is cut it into pieces and take out the core. That's how the pineapple skin look. I had it in a nice Ziploc bag and I washed it over, even though I washed it from the last video. So guys, this is it. And of course, I said before, I'm going to add a small piece of ginger, because Tony don't like ginger, so I will just use half of it. I need a knife to cut this part and to go into this section. That's it, guys. So guys, let's get on with it. This was already peeled, however it started to have a little color changing. Nothing's wrong with it. Guys, let's get into the juicing. So guys, I've started putting in my pineapple, and I'm gonna put a golden beet, and then I'm gonna turn my juicer on. I'm gonna go in with my tangerine, guys, and I will just pop a piece of bell pepper in, maybe 2 pieces, and keep going, guys. I'm gonna go in with my tangerine, guys, and I will just pop a piece of bell pepper in, maybe 2 pieces, and keep going, guys. So guys, let me give you a little bit of information. So tangerine is a fighting property for cancer, and it helps to build up the immune system, act on the T cells, guys, and help to protect the body. It helps to support the brain with memory loss. So check this out, guys. It's a good drink. And guys, did you know that tangerine also lower blood pressure? So this drink with the pineapple and the golden beet, the yellow capsicum, guys, and the ginger and the lemon is a bomb, guys. It flushes out, it helps with your eyes, it does everything. So this is a all-in-one juice. So guys, we are stressing on the tangerine today. It helps to protect the eyes from the sun rays. So you incorporate more tangerine. Just have it for a snack. You can have it like how I'm doing it. You can do anything what you want to do with it, but it's good. You can do it in salad also, you name it. So guys, my drink is almost finished, and I'm getting ready to serve and let the first batch out. As you see, the mixing bowl is almost full. So guys, let's let out the first batch of juice. I'm just adding one more tangerine, guys, and then we will get into letting out the juice from the mixing bowl. So guys, we are gonna let out our first batch of juice. Guys, look at that. And we are gonna go again and finish up what we have. So I have some leftovers. This is here. So this is it, guys. I'm gonna just put those in. So let's go again. So guys, let's pop in our yellow bell pepper, some beetroot, and some pineapple, and we will put in more beetroot, guys. So this is going to be the second batch of juice, guys. Look how yellow that look, guys. It's so good for your eyes. Everything in this drink is super good. So guys, you should always try and make some of my healthy drink on this channel, and leave a comment and let me know did you enjoy the drink and what it tastes like to you. This is so yummy. So guys, I'm gonna pop my lime in, and that is the last ingredient I've added to this juice. So we are gonna go into the serving. So guys, we're gonna let out our second batch of juice. Here you go. So guys, we are gonna pour out our drink. Look at that, guys. So guys, there you have it. And I am just going to use some golden beet and decorate, and I'll just put some tangerine, well, and pop a bell pepper around here. And remember I said I have a pineapple that I purchased, so I will use this fresh one to put right here. So guys, that's going to be the end of the video, guys. Don't forget to give a thumbs up and share with a friend. See you in our next video. And guys, remember, if you use those straws like what I use, always try to have a straw brush. This goes in with the soap, and you move it like that, and you move it like that, and then you put it at the pipe and you run it right out. So don't forget to purchase one of these. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video, guys. Have a lovely weekend. That's the golden beet, guys.